Welcome to another project completed by 95 Reno. Over here, we've completed 2 basement splits, the personal use and the legal ensuite for rental purposes. Follow me, let me give you an idea of what this looks like. As you can see, we come into the full kitchen, quartz countertops, a beautiful backsplash, soft closed cabinets, a feature wall over here, as well as the egress windows with natural lights. We also have some lighting over here that's pretty cool, kind of give that different essence to the home. And also pot lights all around. As you can see, we also installed very nice closets over here as well with the soft close. We have a bedroom in here as well. As you can see over here, we have a beautiful bathroom, a stand-up shower, beautiful towels on the walls, floor-to-wall tiles, really nice quartz countertop. Believe it or not, it's actually picked by the client, so we might hire her for our next interior designer job. That was a joke. Very beautiful master bedroom with a feature wall. Give you that different luxury feel to the basement. We also have a closet, a nice little walk-in closet in here for the master bedroom. As you can see, very clean finishing, clean lines, and clear and transparent lighting. Oftentimes people opt for a less dimmer version for a basement renovation for rental purposes, but we try to make sure we give you a much better optimal solution just because it attracts the best tenants. Oftentimes people get into a situation where they have bad tenants, but working with 95 Reno, just from the renovation experience, you also attract a really excellent and high-end clientele for your tenants. So that's why you should work with us, even for your basement renovations for rental purposes. Thank you. Chat soon.